Right. Now we want to look at the distance between 2 points or the length of a line. If we're doing the length of the line, the 2 points that we using should always be the end points. Sometimes you might just want to find the distance between 2 points. This is the formula that we'll use. Obviously, you're going to need 2 points. And this is to provide the x1 and y1 values and x2 and y2 values. Yeah? If you want to find the distance between these 2 points, label your points x1, y1, x2, y2. We write your formula, distance between A, B. We call this one A, this one B. Always begin by writing the formula and then sub the values into it, right? Just to start to put values in randomly. Always write your formula. So my x2 value is 4, my x1 value is 1. My y2 value is 6, my x1 value is 2. So what I'll get here is 3 squared plus 6 take away 2 is 4 squared. We have 9 plus 16. 9 and 16 would give me 25. And the answer, we will put it as 5 units. Right? So for the distance between 2 points, the answer is in units. Right? It could be a decimal figure, it could be a whole number. It all depends on the numbers that we have underneath here. You will never have a negative answer underneath here. This will always be positive. All right? And this is how we do the distance between 2 points or the length of a line.